Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to delete a group of tasks, not task by task, a group of tasks on Monday web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to access to the website of Monday, and to do so you will need to go to your web browser and type monday.com. After that, you will need to create an account by signing up with your email and then log into it. If you do already have an account, just log in into it and then just follow these simple steps. So the first step will be to go to your work management or the working space. You click on it, you go to your board, and here you will find all your tasks. And here I have this group of tasks, as you can see, expand group or collapse group. And now I'm going to show you how to delete the whole group from your board. Basically, here you will find next to each task, you will find a 3 point icon, and next to the group, you will find it also. So all we need to do is to click on this 3 points action, and here we will find delete. We click on delete, and as you can see, we will have or we will delete the whole group. As you can see, the whole group was successfully deleted, and by that we have just deleted our group from the board. And of course you can restore it for a while here, because you will find it here in the trash, and you go to trash and you will find your board here, or this is the group, and of course you can restore it or delete it permanently. It will only stay here for 30 days, and if you didn't restore it, your data will be deleted permanently. So basically this is how you can delete your groups on Monday web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.